So, dear students, so today I'll be taking the Laplace periodic function again, which is a 5 marker, 7 marker, or even 10 marker question, depending on the university, especially for the RVPES or Ramaya or Dayanand Sagar, or let it be any VTU college. Okay, so listen carefully. I'll be telling you shortcut tricks, not only how to do the question, just like normal teacher will teach, but in a smart way. Okay, so let's see that. So obviously it will be beneficial for you. So while doing that, I'll just take only from the most difficult question for you guys here. So you can see here, no? Correct? Yeah. It's a periodic function, right? Okay. Why I'm starting the difficult question is, but not difficult at all. Okay. Fine. It looks lengthy. This is the last question in this particular chapter on the periodic function. So obviously it should be the difficult one, right? So for that reason. Okay, first thing is see the graph properly. If I want to zoom it, I'll zoom everything. 0 to A. So it's actually, you know how to do it, right? Like 0 to 1, 1 to 2, something like that. Same thing. Okay, so this is a triangular wave, basically. 0 to A, time t, and A to 2A, 2A minus t. It is given here in the question only. T and 2A minus t. Okay, if you want, you can pause the video and you can zoom it and see. Okay, 0 to A, what is the function? T, and A to 2A, 2A minus t. And for the periodic function, there's a simple formula. What is it? L of f of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus st integral 0 to capital T e power minus st into f of t dt. Okay, 1 by 1 minus e power minus t integral 0 to capital T, correct, e power minus st dot f of t dt. Formula only. So I didn't look and read. Okay, one thing. So this is something which is much easier for me because I teach this on a regular basis. Okay. Now the 0 to t is there. It is a time period. So you split it to 0 to a and a to 2a. Okay. And this instead of this function, first function, what is it? You put t. The graph here, t is there, no? The t, the line. Correct, t. And second function, you put 2a minus t. That's all. Instead of function, first function, you put t. Second function, you put what? 2a minus t. Then e power minus st dot dt. Then we use what? The Bernoulli's rule. That is, first function, even I written down here for your easy thing. First function into integral of second function minus differentiation of first function into double integral of second function. Okay. Then alternate minus and plus. Plus double differentiation of the first function into triple integration of the second function. Simple thing. Okay. Fine. So this is only where once we see this thing, none of you will like it. Okay, this is where the tricks and everything comes in picture. So let's go back to the question. I don't want to teach in traditional way. Let's go back to the question. So they're telling what? L of f of t is equal to 1 by s square tan h as by 2. Correct? And in the periodic function, hardly there are 3 or 4 questions. So by heart the answer and keep. If it is a VTU paper, normally they will give 1 by s square tan h as by 2. But if it is some autonomous universities, they might not give it. Okay. Sometimes they will give, sometimes they will not give, depending upon the what paper set is moved. So show that 1 by s square to tan h as by 2. Now what I want you to do is, before the Bernoulli's trials and every other thing, engineering, the most important thing is the answer. If the final answer is correct, you'll get full mark. Okay. So number one point is I have to remember the formula. What is the formula? 1 by 1 minus e power minus st, correct? Integral 0 to t e power minus st into f of t dt. Okay, only that this capital T is only the capital letter. Sorry, the capital letter. Rest everything is small only. E power minus st. This one. You can see there inside the integral. No, that is all small. Outside integral only capital. So this you have to be very, very thorough. You should not mix with this also. Now, since I already know the answer, 1 by s square tan h s by 2, write down that 1 by s square tan h s by 2. Then common sense we have to use now. What is tan h? Sin h by cos h. Correct? Put sin h as by 2, cos h as by 2. We'll do reverse engineering method. What is the method called? Reverse engineering. Correct? What is tan h as by 2? Sin by cos. Sin h as by 2, cos h as by 2. You do that thing first. Correct? Then in above step, you multiply and divide by 2. Okay, because we have to show them, right? Or else they will not give it just like that, no, the full mark. Correct? Then we have a formula. Okay. E power x plus e power minus x. And e power x minus e power minus x. That is 2 sin hx. So the Laplace transform are not hyperbolic, so we can just ignore the h. Okay. So e power x minus e power minus x is what? 2 sin hx. This is a formula, general formula, hyperbolic formula. Okay, so sin hx is equal to what? E power x minus e power minus x by 2. To 2 sin hx is what? E power x minus e power minus x. If it is cos, pause the video if you want. If it is cos, just instead of minus, you put plus. Now, instead of x, what is the value here? As by 2, sin hx. 2 sin hx by 2, because tan h is there, right? Okay, fine. 2 sin h. So, except the periodic function, none of the Laplace transforms are what hyperbolic or harmonic in nature. Only the periodic functions are hyperbolic in nature. What is 2 sin hx value? E power as by 2 minus e power minus as by 2, because 2 is already included. And cos, instead of minus, plus will come. That's all. So at least 5 steps we got now. And also write down the formula also. Then I'll teach you the Bernoulli's trials. First, I'll take for the t. First function, I put it as it is. Into integral of e power minus st is what? E power minus st by minus s. You should do integration. Minus differentiation of t is what? 1. Then integrate the previous one. That is a trick. Integrate the previous one. So e power minus st. Integration is what? By minus s, right? So e power minus st is e power minus st only by minus s into minus s plus s square. Next step, plus 0. Why written 0? Differentiation of 1 is what? 0. That's all. Next one, 2a minus t. First function, write it as it is. Into integral of second function. Minus differentiation of first function. Differentiation of first function is 2a is 0. Minus t is minus 1. Then integral of the previous function. Okay. After that, skip all of these steps. This step you skip it off. Not required. This also you skip it off. This also skip it off. Skip off this also. Skip off this also. So use the reverse engineering method. Everyone needs answer. We are going to give them what they want. So as I told you, from the write down the answer first, then go back. That's it. Don't stress or strain your brain. Clear? Don't stress or strain your brain. So I hope I'm clear with this. This is a difficult question. Okay, and guys, one more important thing. If this question comes, the most important thing is the diagram. Draw the diagram. Give first importance to diagram. If it is an 8-mark question, this diagram only will carry 5 marker. I don't know whether how many of you know this or not. This is not our class 11th or class 12th. Okay. This is engineering. Engineering always first importance to diagram. Even if you don't write any of these things, draw a diagram and keep. If it's 8 mark. Suppose it is a 5-mark question, 3 mark for the diagram. So diagram is having more importance compared to any other thing. This diagram, don't miss this Y and TA. Nothing you should miss. Okay. Okay. Now I think I'll go to the next question. Yeah. Not 62, 60. Okay. Yeah. Tan h as by 4. Here, not required for the diagram. Show that E by S is tan NHCE by 4. So first thing is what is the first step? Write on the formula. What is the formula? 1 by 1 minus e power minus s capital T into integral 0 to capital T e power minus s small t f of small t dt. Right? This is the formula. Now, what is the full limit? 0 to a. 0 to a, write it down, then split. 0 to a by 2 to a. Okay, e power minus st into f of t. Okay, 0 to a by 2. What is the value? Positive e. In this, what is the value? Minus e. Stop it after this. Okay, after this, you stop it. I'm not telling you to integrate or anything. See the final answer. What is it? Es tan HIS by 4. Come back. Write on Es tan HIS by 4. Es e by s, let it be as it is. Instead of tan, write sin h as by 4 and cos h as by 4. Then again, above that step, you should write what? 2 sin h as by 4, 2 cos h as by 4. Correct? Then sin e power as by 4 minus e power minus as by 4. Cos instead of minus plus will come. That's it. These many steps you can ignore. This is engineering. Again, if you got doubt, everyone has used the NCERT textbook, right? Class 11, 12. What they do, they skip the steps. Or you can take your BS Graval also. They'll skip every step. So these many steps are not required for us. Okay, 1 second. Let me see someone's come here. I'll just come now. So the last one is this one. I think so, yeah. E sin omega t. Okay, so what happens in this question is L of f of t is 1 by 1 minus e power minus s capital T. Same formula you would write, correct? 0 to 2 pi by omega. 0 to 2 pi by omega. That you have to write it out. And what is my e power minus st? E sin omega t. That you have to put it as it is. So 0 to pi by omega. Now, e power minus st, e you can take it outside. This e you can take it outside. So hi Garv, kindly wait. I'm just recording a session for you only. Yeah. So this e power minus st, correct? Into sin omega t, answer is e power minus st by minus s the whole square plus omega square into minus s sin omega t minus cos omega cos omega t. Okay, so this is one thing which you have to remember in this. Okay, and final answer is this. So what else is just by heart the answer because you won't be able to remember this big formula. So just by heart this answer and after this step write it down. That's all. This question also can come for the exam. Okay, so that's all in this. Thank you.